PCB's machine shop includes additional capabilities such as injection molding to create components like thermal resistive boots, mounting accessories, and tips used for force hammer measurements.
Precision metal fabrication affords for shearing, punching, sanding, forming, and insert installation of the frames for our signal conditioners assembled in-house.
Together, these unique work cells form a cohesive system of vertical integration, producing the variety of parts needed for assembly of sensors in the main production facility, while controlling part quality and optimizing lead times.